Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students of class 2. How are you all? Hope you will be fine and enjoying good health in these days. In the previous lecture we have discussed subtraction with regrouping. In this video we will learn subtraction word problems. Today our topic is subtraction word problems. Shopkeeper had 25 bananas in his shop. He sold 18. How many bananas are left? In a shop, a shopkeeper had 25 bananas and he sells out 18 bananas out of 25 bananas. How we will find out how many bananas are left? Can you tell me? Let me tell you. We will subtract 18 from 25 and we will get the number of bananas that are left in the shop. Here a chart has been shown. In this we will write 25, 2 in the tens column and 5 in the units column. Same way we will write 18, 1 in the tens column and 8 in the unit column. We use this sign to show the subtraction. First of all, we will subtract units. We will subtract 8 units out of 5 units. As we cannot take away 8 units out of 5 units, so we regroup tens. We take borrow. So we regroup the tens. We borrow 1 ten from 2 tens. From 2 tens, if we take 1 borrow, here we left with 1 tens. In the units, 1 ten means 10 units. There are 10 units and 5 units that we already have. 10 units and 5 units makes 15 units. Now we can easily subtract 8 units out of 15 units. Let's count the shapes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Out of 15 units we have to subtract 8 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now count the number of units. How many units are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We are left with 7 units. If we subtract 8 units out of 15 units, we are left with 7 units. Now after subtracting the units, we will move towards the tens. While subtracting tens, we have to subtract 1 ten out of 1 ten. If we have 1 ten and we subtract it, we have nothing here. It means we have 0. So we have 0 here in tens column. It means there are 7 bananas left in the shop. From 25 bananas, if 18 bananas are sold, then 7 bananas are left. Out of 32 oranges, 27 oranges are perished. It means 27 oranges are spoiled out. How many oranges are left? First of all, we will draw the chart. Here we will write 3 in the tens column and 2 in the units column. Same we will write 2 in the tens column and 7 in the unit column. And we will use this sign to show the subtraction. We will start from units. As there is 7 units that we have to subtract from 2 units. But we cannot take away 7 units out of 2 units. So, what will we do? We will take borrow. We regroup the tens and borrow 1 ten from 3 tens. From 3 tens, if we take 1 borrow, here we left with 2 tens. Now in the unit column we can see that 1 tens equals to 10 units and there are 2 tens that we already have. It means we have 12 units now. 10 units plus 2 units makes 12 units. Now we can easily subtract 7 units out of 12 units. Let's count the shapes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Out of 12 units we have to subtract 7 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now count how many units are left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 units are left. If we subtract 7 units out of 12 units, we are left with 5 units. After the subtraction of units, we will subtract tens. We have to subtract 2 tens out of 2 tens. Let's count the shapes. 1, 2. From the 2 tens, we have to subtract 2 tens. 1, 2. Now how many tens are left? 0. If we subtract 2 tens out of 2 tens, we are left with 0. It means 5 oranges are left that are not perished. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 oranges are left that are not perished. There are 55 bunches of grapes. Shopkeeper sold 36 bunches out of 55 bunches. How many bunches are left? In a shop, a shopkeeper sells out 36 bunches out of 55 bunches of grapes. We have to find out number of bunches that are left in the shop. First of all, we will draw the chart. Unit and tens. We will write 55. 5 in the tens column and 5 in the units column. Same we will write 36. 3 in the tens column and 6 in the units column. And we will use subtraction sign. Now we have to subtract 6 units out of 5 units. As we cannot take away 6 units out of 5 units. What will we do? Yes students, now you will tell me. We will take borrow from tens. So we regroup the tens, we borrow 1 ten from 5 tens. Out of 5 tens, we will take 1 borrow. And here we are left with 4 tens. As we have 1 tens, so this is equal to 10 units. And we have 5 units already in this column. So 1 tens and 5 units makes 15 units. Now we can easily subtract 6 units out of 15 units. Let's count the shapes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Out of 15 units, we have to subtract 6 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now count how many units are left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. We are left with 9 units if we subtract 6 units out of 15 units. After this subtraction of units, we will move towards the tens. We have to subtract 3 tens out of 4 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4. Out of 4 tens, we have to subtract 3 tens. 1, 2, 3. We are left with 1 tenth. If we subtract 3 tenths out of 4 tenths, we are left with 1 tenth. It means there are 19 bunches of grapes. 19 bunches of grapes are left. In this video, we have discussed subtraction word problems. In the next video, we will also discuss some more subtraction word problems. Take care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.